Awsome Night Sky, written by K. Barnum, illustrated by Maddie Frost. Did you know there are millions and millions of stars in the universe? During the daytime, the sky is too bright for us to see the stars. But in the night sky, they twinkle and they shine. How many stars can you see? One, two, three. Did you know there are millions and millions of stars in the universe? During the daytime, the sky is too bright for us to see the stars. But in the night sky, they twinkle and they shine. How many stars can you see? Our sun is a star. It is much closer to us than other stars, which is why it looks so big. The sun is so bright, you must never stare at it. The sun is very important. It warms our planet and gives us light. It makes plants grow. Without the sun, there would be no life on Earth. Earth is just one of the planets that travel around the sun. The planets nearest the sun are very hot. The planets furthest away are very cold. On our planet, the temperature is just right. We have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The planets closest to the Earth shine in the night sky. Look out for Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter and Saturn. The moon is a ball of rock that travels around our planet. It is the biggest object in the night sky. We can see the moon because it reflects sunlight. As the moon goes around Earth, we can see different amounts of sunlight shining part of the moon. This is why it looks as if the moon changes shape. A galaxy is a group of many, many stars. There are billions of galaxies in the universe. Our sun is part of a galaxy called the Milky Way. We can sometimes see the middle of the Milky Way. It looks like a misty smudge across the night sky. A constellation is a group of stars that makes a pattern in the night sky. Long ago, people thought that if they joined the stars together, the shapes looked like people, animals or objects. Orion is a famous constellation that can be seen from all around the world. Orion was a hunter in an old Greek story. Did you know that a shooting star is not a star at all? It is a piece of dust or rock called a meteor. This burns brightly as it falls through the atmosphere, the layer of gas around the Earth. When many meteors fall at once, they are called a meteor shower. Asteroids are large pieces of rock that are too small to be planets. But like planets, they travel around the sun. A comet is a huge lump of ice and dust that follows a huge oval path around the sun. When it is near the sun, it has a bright tail. Astronomers study the objects in space. They look at the planets that travel around the sun. They look at distant galaxies. They try to find out how stars begin and end. We do not yet know everything about the universe, but astronomers are helping us find out more. The universe is a huge thing we see in the night sky. Can be very, very far away. Astronomers use telescopes to see objects in space. The Hubble Space Telescope is in space. It helps us to see things much more clearly than telescopes on Earth. Another way of finding out about space is to go there. Spacecrafts carry astronauts into space. Powerful rockets push them high above the planet. Then they travel around the Earth. Last century, astronauts landed on the moon. So instead of seeing the moon in the night sky, they saw the Earth. Sometimes you will see a bright light moving slowly across the sky. This is the International Space Station. It is a place where astronauts live and work. The space station travels around our planet more than 15 times a day. In the future, humans hope to travel a very long way, but first they need to find out more about the universe. Space probes and spacecraft that go on long journeys into space. They send back information to Earth about what they find. Rovers are robot vehicles that explore the planet Mars. It is the nearest planet to Earth. One day, humans hope to live there. Things you can do. 1. Make your own night sky picture. Paint a big sheet of paper a very dark colour, and once it has dried, decorate it with stars, a moon, planets, rockets, and anything else you can think of. 2. On the next starry night, look carefully at the moon. The next day, make your own fabulous moon pictures. It could be a painting or a collage or a pencil sketch. 3. Make a word cloud about the night sky. Start with night sky, then add any other words. This makes you think of. Write them all down using different coloured pens. Start like this: stars, moon, night sky. Notes for parents and teachers. This series aims to encourage children to look at and wonder about different aspects of the world in which they live. Here are more specific ideas for getting more out of this book. 1. Use a planisphere or night sky app to find stars, planets and constellations in the night sky with children. 2. Make a paper mache solar system for the classroom using balloons for planets. 3. Ask children to build a space probe from junk. It will need a really futuristic name. 5. Put on a play entitled Mission to Mars. Ask children to imagine what their trip will be like. What will they find when they land on Mars? How will they survive? 6. Look at the night sky and join the dots to make your very own constellation. Decide what or who it looks like and give it a starry name. Night Sky books to share. Read all the books in this series. That is the Awsome Night Sky by K. Barnum. It's a wrap.